If you want to turn plain text into clickable links in Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you want to send visitors to an external website, let them download a file, email you directly, or tap to call a phone number, adding text links is one of the easiest ways to make your site more useful and interactive. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard and open the page or section where you want to add your link. Once you're inside the editor, click Edit in the top left corner. This takes you into the live editing environment where you can make changes directly on the page. Next, find the text block that contains the wording you want to turn into a link. In Fluid Engine, you can work directly inside the block, so double-click inside the text block to begin editing. After that, click and drag your mouse cursor across the exact words you want visitors to be able to click. This is important because only the highlighted text will become the link. Now look just above the highlighted words. You should see the floating text formatting toolbar appear. This toolbar gives you options for styling your text, and one of those options is the link icon. It looks like two interlocking chain links. Go ahead and click that icon to open the link settings. Once the link menu opens, you'll see several different link types depending on what you want the text to do. If you want to send people to another website, paste in a full absolute external URL. That means the complete web address, including the HTTPS part. This is the best option when linking to a page outside of your Squarespace site. If you want your text to link to a file instead, click on the drop-down and choose File. This is useful if you want to let people download something like a PDF brochure, a menu, a price list, or even a zip file from your computer. After selecting File, upload the document you want to use, and Squarespace will connect the highlighted text to that file. If you'd rather create an email link, choose Email. Then type in the email address you want people to contact. You can also pre-fill an optional subject line, which is really helpful if you want incoming messages to be organized or easier to identify. And if you need to create a phone link, choose Phone line. Then type in the mobile number you want visitors to tap on from their device. This is especially useful for service businesses, booking pages, and contact sections where you want people to reach you quickly. After you've chosen the right link type and entered the correct information, make sure to confirm and save the link settings. Then click out of the text editor and preview the page to test the link. Always double check that it opens the correct website, file, email app, or phone action before publishing. That's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can create text links in Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine and make your page much more functional. Whether you're guiding people to a resource, encouraging downloads, or making it easier to contact you, text links are a simple but powerful part of good web design. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Squarespace 7.1 tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.